What's going on, my friend? Garrett Barry here. In this video, what I'm going to do is reveal to you an incredibly simple method anyone can use to start to make life-changing income online. Now, I don't care if you've watched a lot of other YouTube videos and you've failed in the past, this method will work for you. And I know it's going to work for you because it's not just worked for me the last 5 years online. It's also worked for dozens, if not hundreds and hundreds of people that I've personally shared this with, okay? This is effective. It doesn't matter if you have any previous experience. It doesn't matter if you are in another country. You can use this method to start to see life-changing results. Now, on the screen real quick, I want to share with you just some of the results I've been able to generate online, not to brag, not to impress you, but really just to show you what's possible. And you're listening to someone as you watch this entire video that's getting results. So you can see right here that in one day I generated over $2,000. The day before that, I was also able to generate $2,000. Okay, and I hit my biggest day online, and I generated $5,500. So again, as you watch this entire video, and even towards the end when I reveal even more secret strategies to make this technique work even better, you're going to be able to rest assured and feel comfortable knowing that you're learning from someone that is actually getting results. So what is the very first step that we want to do? The very first step we want to do to make money with this method is to find a product that is selling well that you can become an affiliate for online. Now, why do we want to do this? Well, a lot of people, they try to make money online and they want to create their own products. They understand that they need to sell products online to make money, and they try to go out there. They spend tons and tons of months creating the sales pages, creating all the the capture pages, the funnels, and then they try to sell the product and people aren't even interested. The easiest and fastest way for you to start making money this week is to find a product that's already selling well. People are already buying it. Become an affiliate for that product. So when you recommend someone to buy that product and they buy through your affiliate link, you get credit and you earn that money. Okay, so how do we find a product that's selling well? There's two main places I'd personally recommend. Number one is Clickbank. Okay, Clickbank is a massive affiliate marketing platform that you can find tons of products in many different categories. You can see down here, they have arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems, health and fitness. Okay, if you don't know what category to start with, I personally recommend you choose one of three of the evergreen niches. Now, niches just mean categories, and evergreen means that they're not going to go away. Health, wealth, and relationships. Everyone wants to improve their health. Everyone wants to make more money or save money, and everyone wants to improve their relationships. So these things are never going to go away. And if you promote a product in these topics, you know that for months, if not years to come, you're going to be fine as long as that product doesn't go away. Okay. So another place though, and it's my number one recommended place, is independent affiliate programs. Now, the reason being is if you want to make money as fast and as quickly as possible, the problem with Clickbank is if you go out there and you promote the product and you make a sale, which it's going to be very easy to effortlessly make dozens and dozens of sales with the method I'm about to reveal to you. The problem with Clickbank is you will not get that money typically for up to 30 days. So you make a sale and you have to wait a month to receive the money. Not only that, when you make a sale with Clickbank, you have to give up to 60 or 70% of the money away to the product owner. So you only keep about 30 to 40% of the money, and you're missing out on a lot of money. With independent programs, and I'm going to share with you the one I highly recommend out of my 5 years online. It's my number one favorite one. It pays you instantly. Okay, so when you make a sale this week using this powerful method I'll reveal in just a second, you're going to be able to get that money instantly. And the best part is it's 100% commissions. Okay, so you don't have to give away any of that money. Now, the affiliate program that I personally am using and recommend is called Profits Passport. Now, maybe you've seen my review on this on my YouTube channel. Maybe you've seen the massive buzz of people from 18 years old all the way up to 80 who have never done anything like this before. They've plugged into this program. They've started using the proven training, and they've started to generate their first $1,000 and $2,000 commission on total autopilot. Well, the reason is it's because it's a very good selling product. Remember, I said the first step is to find a product that's selling well. Well, I can tell you that this affiliate program, this video, this sales video is getting people to buy at incredible high rates. So all you have to do is use the method I'm going to share with you in a second to easily get people to see this page. And because it's your affiliate link, you will get credit and you will start to make up to $2,000 instantly. Now, if you're watching this and you want access to this affiliate program, it's invitation only. There's going to be a link in the description below. Click that link. I'm going to share much more information on it, and you're going to be able to find out how to get started and access the products so you can start to promote it. But once you find a product that's selling well, the second step we want to do is screenshot proof of people getting results with it, okay? Because what you want to understand is that people are skeptical. If you go out there and try to promote a product online, most people are going to wonder, is this actually working? And are average people getting results with it? So to overcome that objection effortlessly, we're going to screenshot, okay, which is basically just taking a picture of proof of people getting results with the product. Now, if it's a health and fitness product, which I'll share in a second, an example, you can show people losing weight, okay, before and after pictures. If it's making money online, that's the product, then you can show people getting results and making money. These are the types of proof we want to share with people. Now, I say screenshot because that's what you want to be posting in a second as I share this full method. So how do we find proof to share on Clickbank? Well, once you find a product, okay, and you can go to the marketplace with Clickbank and you want to sort results by gravity, okay, because gravity is an algorithm that Clickbank has that shares with you which products are most affiliates making sales with. Okay, this is in the health and fitness niche, this is the one that's the most people are getting sales. You can see around 619 affiliates this week have made a sale with it. Okay, then you would just open up this link, okay, to these different products and start to look over the sales page. Now, I already picked one before, okay, and you can see results right here. But when you open it up, you want to just scroll down and look for results, okay? So it could be images of people losing weight, whatever the product is. So if I go down here, you can see that this product teaches people how to lose weight with keto. So what I would do is I would just open this, hit new, okay? And by the way, this is a snipping tool on my PC. If you're on your computer, chances are you have a free tool like a snipping tool or a screenshot tool that you can actually open. Now, this is a snipping tool on Windows, and I can hit new, and I can just drag, and bam, okay, that's an image. I can do it again, okay, with this picture. Okay, so you can screenshot proof. Now, if you're on your phone, if you just usually hold the up volume button and the power button on your phone, you can screenshot, okay, the image on the screen and you would be getting proof. Now, with the independent affiliate program, Profits Passport, what you can do is go into our private Facebook group. Now, we have a private Facebook group. It's over 16,000 members of active, helpful people. And what you can do is every single day, multiple people are getting results with this, and because it's selling incredibly well. And you can just go down here and screenshot, okay, these results. So this guy right here, okay, bam. This is a image of proof, okay? He said, boom, another $2,000 just rolled in at 7 a.m., okay? I can go down here, Paulo, I could screenshot this. I could screenshot this, okay? Every single day we have massive amount of people, average people that have usually never done anything like this before making money, okay? Boom, $4,050 in a single day, okay? I could screenshot this, okay? So it's absolutely incredible how many people are getting results, and you can just use that proof. Now, once we screenshot proof, what's the next step of this easy and simple method? What we want to do is we want to post that result, that image, on your Facebook profile and Facebook groups, telling people to comment info for more information. So that picture is an ad. It's an advertisement that's going to capture interested people's attention. And then you're going to tell them to comment information. This is called a call to action because we want to get people to comment so we can send them more information, which again, that's going to be a step in a second as you keep watching this video. But basically, let me share with you what I mean. Okay, so if I go to Facebook, okay, and if I go to my profile here, what you would do is you would go and you would click photo, okay, and you would upload the screenshot that you took of proof. And then you would just write a little bit of text. Okay, you can write a little bit of text. Sometimes you can write a little bit more. As you do this method more and more, you can get creative. But towards the end of the text, you're going to say, if something like, if you want to learn more information on how to do the same thing, comment info. Okay, so this right here is an example, right? And I did it back in July, so I've been doing this method for years. And what I did was I took a screenshot of one of my students. Okay, so one of the people who actually joined me in the Profits Passport affiliate program, he applied the training. Okay, so he went out there and he applied what he learned. This, by the way, as a side note, this method that I'm sharing with you is one of the many, many methods I reveal in my over-the-shoulder video training that I include for free every time someone partners with me at the link below in the Profits Passport system. So they're going to get, tons of training. And he went out there and he made a $2,000 sale in his first 7 days, okay, in his very first week. And he made it on autopilot. So what I did was I screenshotted that result. I shared a little bit of text, kind of summarizing the picture. And then towards the end, I said, comment info if you want to learn how. Okay, if you want to learn how to do the same thing. And what happened was I got 91 comments, okay, and many of them were people saying, hey, can I get information? I want to know how to make $2,000. I want to know how to make money online, okay? It's really that simple. Now, you can also go to Facebook groups, okay? So we can type in the type of product, so make money online in this example. You can go to groups, and you can join these groups, 24,000 members, 12,000 members. You can do the same thing. Post that image of proof, summarize it in text, and then say comment info for more information. Now, once people comment, step 4 is we want to send those people who commented your affiliate link. Okay, so you would get your affiliate link either on Clickbank or if you're promoting Profits Passport, which most people who watch this video will decide to do, you would get your link here. Okay, this is the link to promote, and you would send those people in the Facebook Messenger your link. So you would say, hey, I saw you commented information, go to this link and check it out. And that's it. And because we know that this page is selling really well, when people go to that page because they've already asked for information, then there's a very high likelihood they are going to buy. Okay, most people who watch this sales video decide to buy, and they buy at the highest level, okay, which is great. And then you will make money. Okay, the last step, my favorite step, it's going to be your favorite step, is to make money. So it's really that simple, my friend. I hope you got value with this powerful method. Again, anyone can do this. If you don't have a Facebook profile, you can create one for free. You can start to post. Anyone can screenshot, and anyone can send a link to someone in a message. Okay, so if you got value in this video and you want me to break down more social media money-making methods, click the like button to let me know, and comment below what social media site do you want me to reveal strategies for next. Last but not least, if you're looking to join this independent affiliate program, Profits Passport, and access my dozens of incredible bonuses and video training to get results just like my dozens of students have, click the first link below and you'll see exactly how to get started. Anyway, my friend, thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.